The basic aerobic steps for beginners. Arabesque. How to do it. Number 1. Start standing on your right leg and with left leg stretched out to the left side of the room, ready to step. Simulan daw tumayo sa iyong kanang binti, samantalang ang kaliwang binti naman ay nakaunat sa kaliwang bahagi. Number 2. Step onto your left leg, then swift the right leg around to the left side of the room, creating a twirling momentum. Number 3. Step onto the right leg with a bent knee as you begin to sweep the left leg up and over to the left side of the room. Number 4. Take a big lift onto the left leg. Keep turning momentum going by letting your right leg swing around so you can step onto it. Humakbang ng malaking papunta raw sa yung kaliwang binti, patuloy na umikot by letting your right leg swing around so you can step onto it. 5. Finish the turn by stepping your left leg out to the left. Tapusin ang pag-ikot sa pamamagitan ng paglalakad ng iyong kaliwang binti out to the left. Ito yung example niya. Aerobics. Some instructors are more dance-oriented than others. You can tell which ones they are. They'll have you doing lots of mambos, choshes, just squares, and those ball changes. Aerobics, also used in the cheering steps or movement, basically just a backward kick with your toe pointed, usually done with your hands floating gracefully in the mid-air. Also, aerobics can also use in praise dance and also in dramatic dance. Aerobics ay isa sa basic static poses in ballet. The dancer balances on one leg and extend the out behind. Isa rin siya sa pinaka-most iconic ballet position. The completely straight line leg extension requires the dancer to support all of their weight on one standing leg while their other leaps behind them with a clean straight line. Basic steps. This move can be performed on an aerobic step bench or on the floor. Do several in a row with the lead leg or alternate lead leg for variety. Ang basic step ay ito ay maaaring isagawa sa step bench o sahig. How to do it? Number 1. Start with your feet side by side about hip distance. Simulan daw na paglapitin ang dalawang paa pero may konting space. Number 2. Step about 2 feet forward with your lead leg. Humakba ng dalawang talampakan papunta sa harap. With the lead leg daw yung nangungunang paa. Number 3. Bring the back leg forward to meet it. Dalhin din ang back leg sa papuntang harap para magkatagpo ito. Number 4. Humakbang ng dalawang talampakan with your lead leg and draw the other foot back to meet it. Back step or jazz square. A back step is sometimes called a jazz square. Ganito, ayan siya yung example. Ay, demonstration pala. How to do it? Number 1. Stand with your feet hip dance apart and parallel to one another. Number 2. For a right leg lead, step the right foot slightly forward in front of your left foot. 3. Step the left foot out to the side. Bring the right foot a step back and cross over it with your left foot. Number 4. Repeat multiple times. This one is difficult to put into words. It's really better to watch and practice. Cross in front with your lead foot. Step out the side with your right other foot. Step straight back with your lead foot. Your other foot should be out of the way since it has a step outside. Yung number 1 dito, step forward the right foot. Number 2, step across with the left. Right leg lead, step right foot slightly forward in front of your left foot. 3, step to the side with the right. 4, step to the side with the left. So, para mas lalo nyo maintindihan, mas magandang panoodin. Dahil natuturo, nade-demonstrate doon. And doon lang po. Maraming salamat po.